Hello, good evening. Hi, Dr. Witten, Ed Witten. How are you? Um, my name is Mario Silveira, and it's been some years that I'm following some publications about superstring theory. I'm very much interested in it, but I'm still more concerned about something that I would say that is a group belongs to group theory, which explains the relations, transformations between inanimate and animate matter. Okay, that's the point. Okay, for that I created the idea of a psychomathematical object which I called existential quantum. And well, later on I can tell you about the mathematical properties of it, which I call some axioms for that hyperconnected space. Anyway, um, I want to thank your interview. I want to thank that great guy, which I think is the Shakespeare of physics, with Brian Greene. Fabric of the Cosmos is a great book. There he says that his father taught him to see the world in many different perspectives. Great father, Dr. Brian Greene, great father. And you're a lucky guy. And also, I want to thank Steven Weinberg for this great book. I read it twice already, and I'm going to read the third time. Okay? I'm going to have a lot of fun there. So, the thing is this. From your interview, I understood that superstring theory is an attempt to understand, to grasp all the phenomenological aspects of nature into a unified quantum field theory. Okay, so the thing is this: would from what I understand, the string is more fundamental than space-time. So, then I would like to know if something like psychological phenomena, which belongs to nature, evidently, will be, if the string theory will embody these concepts, will it be able to explain, at least in a general point of view, those? That's the point. So, but I have something here that is more important for me about this book here. Is here we have an interview that I would like to read. It is a comment that you made 20 years ago, 1988, and with that I can close my questioning here. Just a moment. Okay, here we have. This is about reconciling gravity with quantum mechanics. So, the question which follows it is this. Would you say this reconciliation is manifest at this time? I would say so, yes. I would say that at this stage, and in fact for some years, it's been clear that string theory does in fact give a logically consistent framework encompassing both gravity and quantum mechanics. At the same time, the conceptual framework in which this should be properly understood, analogous to the principle of equivalence that Einstein found in his theory of gravity, hasn't yet emerged. The point is this, dear Dr. Ed Witten. I, myself, as a personal view, and this is related to my own conceptual framework for a quantum gravity approach, to me, there is no way that one can have a theory at this point without integrating species evolution in it. Doesn't matter if it is physics. You have to, at least at the high level of it, embed evolution ideas there. So, the ideas of evolution there, I don't know exactly how, but I think the mathematical object, the existential quanta has this capability. The thing is this. There, you missed 20 years ago a ontological principle of equivalence, in this case, for string theory. It's been 20 years. There is a lot of developments. There comes the five different theories. Then M theory was even more developed. But anyway, you are respected right now. So, isn't that time to change? Isn't that time to assume that it's the necessity, the fundamental necessity of an ontological principle? So, Spinoza gave us that principle, the ontological principle of equivalence, which says that the reason why it acts is the same why it exists, and this is an equivalence between existing and acting. So, gravitation and acceleration, this is an equivalence. I think, therefore I am, this is an equivalence, okay? So, you're a great mathematician, but you need to embed those ideas into the conceptual framework of string theory in order to go ahead. I'm just asking you, isn't that correct? I love you, and you are going to do it. You are going to close that theory. You're a great mathematician. You are the best. Thank you very much. Good luck.